Hello children, good evening. Today I decided to complete this topic which is going on net factor income and from abroad. Today I will teach you what are three components of net factor income and from abroad, right? First is net compensation to employees. What is compensation to employees? This is the income from work. As I am going to school and in return I will be paid wages and salary. This is compensation to employees, right? So net means the resident of a country used to go abroad, do the work there and are paid. In the same way, the foreigners are coming to non-resident are coming to a nation, doing the work and are paid by the nation. So the difference between the income earned by the resident of a country from work and the income earned by non-resident of country from work done in a nation. This is what net compensation to employees. If Indian residents are going abroad and are paid 1000 crore rupees, and the non-resident, the foreigners are coming to India and are paid 80,000 crore rupees by India. So what is the net compensation to employees? This is what? 20 crores, right? Next year, net income from property and entrepreneurship. Property, this is rent and interest. Being the owner of land, we enjoy rent. Being the owner of capital, we enjoy interest. So it is the income from property. Come to entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship and profit. And profit has three components. Dividend, retained earning, corporate tax. Corporate tax, here we are not concerned to it because it is the tax on company saving paid to government of a nation, right? So there is no role of corporate tax here. Dividend, it is known as distributed profit among the shareholders, and it is a part of second component, income, net income from entrepreneurship, right? Retained earning, this is the third component. Net earning, net retained earning, that is the retained earning and distributed profit kept by the resident company abroad minus the retained earning kept by the foreign companies in a nation. This is what net retained earning, right? So these are the three components of net factor income and from abroad. Come to this, how to convert domestic income into national and national income into domestic in the various situation. Different type of information is given in numericals, in MCQs. So how to deal with this topic? Domestic income includes to and national income includes from, right? That you have to keep in your mind. Whether it is net or it is factor income from abroad, net factor income from abroad is included in national, and net factor income paid to abroad, factor income paid to abroad is included in domestic. So if we have to convert domestic into national, then we will add net factor income and from abroad, because from is to be included in national and it is not included in domestic. Then we have to add, right, net factor income and from abroad with dy to convert dy into ny. If we have to go ny to dy, right? So ny includes from and dy does not include it. So we will deduct simple, right? National income minus net factor income and from abroad. Now ny is converted into domestic income. If you have been given net factor income paid to abroad, 2 is included in domestic, right? So if we have to convert domestic into national, so 2 is here, it is not included in ny, then we have to deduct, right? dy minus net factor income paid to abroad is equal to ny. If we have to convert ny into dy, so ny plus, because 2 is not included and 2 should be included in dy. So we will add it, right? ny plus net factor income paid to abroad is equal to domestic. So when net is given, net, right? Be careful about this and preposition. If net is given with from, how to convert dy into ny into dy. If 2 is given, how to convert dy into ny and ny into dy. But if net is not given, you have been given simple factor income earned from abroad and factor income paid to abroad. So dy plus fy from abroad, net is not here, right? So fy from abroad, because from is not included in domestic, then we have to add. And factor income paid to abroad is included in domestic, but it should not be included in NY because it is the income earned by non-resident, and national income never includes the income earned by non-resident. So dy to NY by adding NFIA from abroad with dy, and by subtracting factor income paid to abroad from dy, we convert dy into NY. In the same way, if we have to convert national into domestic, then from abroad is included in national, but it should not be included while calculating domestic. That's why we have to deduct it. NY minus factor income from abroad and plus factor income paid to abroad, right, is equal to domestic income. So in different situation, how to deal with this data net factor income and from abroad in different situations. We focused about the preposition, right, and net. These are two important things. Why to deal with this data doing the numericals, right? Now, you see in which case dy will be more than ny, right? In which case dy will be more than ny? When the NFIA is negative, then domestic income will be more than national income, right? Because domestic income plus net factor income earned from abroad is equal to national. Assume 500 is domestic and NFIA is minus 50. So plus minus minus, national income will be 450. 500 minus 50 is equal to 450, and dy will be more than national income. If NFIA is positive, then dy will be less than ny. If 50 is positive net factor income earned from abroad and is to be added with 500 dy. So what will be the national income? 550. 500 dy plus positive NFIA 50. So 500 plus 50 is equal to 550, and in this case the dy 500 and ny will be 550, dy will be less than ny. And when factor income earned from abroad and factor income paid to abroad both are equal, so NFIA will be 0, right? 100 minus 100 is equal to 0, and when NFI is 0, then in that case domestic income will be equal to national income. So I think there will be no doubt now in this concept here what is domestic income territory, why it is important to know to calculate domestic income, who all are normal resident, why it is important to know to calculate national income. Then I taught how to convert domestic into national, national into domestic on the basis of net factor income earned from abroad, along with the three components of net factor income earned from abroad. So I explained the topic which is given later in the chapter here only, right? So tomorrow I will start with the factor income and transfer income and final goods and intermediate goods. So for today it is enough. Thank you and have a nice day ahead, and take care of health, take care of your studies, because 12th class is too much important for your career in future. So please be focused, collect the knowledge from different sources, right, and try to get better and better marks in class 12. Be good citizen of India. Have a nice day. Thank you.